Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel a direct debit with Lloyds Bank. First, open your browser and head over to the Lloyds Bank website. You can also search for how to cancel direct debit on Lloyds Bank. If you need extra guidance, there are two possible methods depending on how you are registered with the bank. The first method is for those registered with Online for Business. Simply log into your account, select More Actions. Next to the account where the direct debit is set up, choose Direct Debit, then tap Manage Direct Debit. From there, find the direct debit you want to cancel and follow the prompts. The second method is for users registered with commercial online banking. If you have the right permissions, log into your commercial banking online, go to Manage Payments and select Direct Debit. Enter the details allowed for the account. Tap Search and then select the direct debit you want to cancel. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.